What's going on? Zach here with 5-Star Prep, and today we're going over 3 hard ACT math problems that require little to no work. Let's get into it. The biggest takeaway I want you to have when looking at these 3 math problems is that even when they seem overwhelming at first, a lot of times if you take a step back and relax, they can be pretty manageable. Taking a look at question 58, we have which of the following number line graphs shows the solution set to the inequality, the absolute value of x minus 5 is less than -1. Okay, so if you didn't know what to do here, you may look at the answer choices and see that the number 4 and the number 6 come up often, as well as a shaded region. But if we look back at the question, we see that it says the absolute value of x minus 5 is less than -1. And I know that absolute value can never be negative. Therefore, no matter what you plug in for x, the absolute value of x minus 5 can never be less than -1 because anything less than -1 is a negative result. Therefore, the correct answer here is K, the empty set. Here we have question 55 that says if x and y are real numbers such that x is greater than 1 and y is less than -1, then which of the following inequalities must be true? Well, when they tell us x is greater than 1, we know that x has to be positive. So x is positive, and when y is less than -1, we know that y is negative. And using that information, we can go ahead and solve 55. Looking at answer choice A, if we have a positive number divided by a negative number, that would be negative, so it can't be greater than 1, so that is incorrect. If we look at B, that's referring to the absolute value of the numbers, and that does not have to be true. Taking a look at x equaling 2 and y being -100, you can see that that would be false. 2 squared is 4, which is not greater than the absolute value of -100, which is just 100. Taking a look at answer choice C, we have x over 3 minus 5 is greater than y over 3 minus 5. And that would just be a positive number minus 5 is greater than a negative number minus 5. And if you're subtracting the same value here, if you have a positive number that you're subtracting it from, that's always going to be greater than the negative number. Therefore, C is correct. And that is our answer, and we're done. Here we have question 50 that says in the right triangle below, the measure of angle C is 90 degrees. AB equals 5 units and CB equals 2 units. What is the tangent of B? Well, we're looking for the tangent of the bottom right angle, and the tangent of B refers to its opposite side over its adjacent side. And we're actually provided the adjacent side is 2. Using that information, we can actually eliminate answer choices H, J, and K right off the bat because they don't have a denominator of 2. Working with our final 2 answer choices, F and G, we're now determining what the numerator is, or what side AC is equal to. Another piece of information that we can pull on is that one of our special right triangles is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. And notice this has a hypotenuse of 5, but a side length of 2. Therefore, this cannot be a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, and answer choice G can also be eliminated, leaving us with the correct answer, F. That just goes to show you that sometimes these hard ACT math problems aren't as difficult as they first seem. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. I'll see you next time.